Good morning, guys. How'd you like that intro? I hope you guys liked it. I worked on that, I think Friday. Friday, I spent a fair amount of time working on that intro. I also got several other things that we'll see later on in the stream. Thank you for joining me this morning. It is Monday, April 11th, 2022. It's a short week. Good Friday is Friday. And Easter is Sunday, I believe. I believe that's how that works. Friday is Good Friday, then the Sunday is Easter. So we do have a shorter week this week. So just be conscious of that. Be aware of that. Have it in the back of your mind. We have no major economic data today. However, we do have a couple of speakers. Let me name them real quick. We have Raphael Bostic at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. These are Eastern times. We have speaker Michelle Bowman at 9:30 a.m. also. Christopher J. Waller at 9:30. And then at 12:40, got to be p.m. Eastern, not a.m. p.m. Eastern is speaker Charles L. Evans. So we have a few speakers today. So just remember that as well while you're trading. Don't get caught on the wrong side of a news catalyst, a headline, or sorts. It is 63.5 degrees in my office den, and I'm in short sleeves today. For some reason, it's 63 degrees, and I'm not, freezing, so we're going to roll with it. Got a new hat on today. Couldn't find my Yeti, so I got this one on. It's cool. I like it. It's a pretty cool hat. Matching sweatpants as well. Hat and sweatpants match. All right, so let's go ahead and let's break down into the market watch. ES is lower, Dow lower, NASDAQ lower, and Russell lower. NASDAQ leading the index futures to the downside 1.1%. In the currencies quadrant, we have Australian dollar futures. Those are lower by almost 0.4%. 60 euro is up slightly, 0.16%. Canadian dollar is down. Could be because crude is down. They might have had data. Not certain. Japanese yen down 1%. I think that's about normal for the yen at this point. Am I right? 1% down. That's normal for the yen in particular. All right, let's go to metals. Gold is higher. CPI tomorrow, by the way. CPI tomorrow. So gold is up in preparation for that. Copper is lower, palladium, platinum, higher, and silver is higher. So all metals higher, except for copper. That's the only one. I believe we have micro copper futures launching May 5. I think it's May 5. I got the email. I think it says May 5. Micro copper futures. That'll be really cool. Okay, crude oil is down 3.43%, down $3.37 now. Heating oil is down 1.5%. Natty gas, it was just up 5%. I was just watching it. It's off the highs now by a percent. Let's go ahead and just say 4%. It's up 4% right now. And RBOB is down 2.75% this morning. Grains, corn higher. Soybeans lower, wheat higher. Okay. And T-note futures all lower, but we are seeing a spike right now. See the little push up right there. So yields must be higher, but have come off a little bit. Higher, but have come off a little bit. See, there's a high, and here's where we're currently at. And in the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin down 4.3% to 41,000 pretty much. Ethereum down 6.65% at 30,3050. Okay, all right. We have 35 seconds to go. Let's go check on the micro NASDAQ. Bookmap is let me adjust my Bookmap real quick. I gotta zoom out just a hair. Let's see. Oh, I'm very specific. There, got it. Not much liquidity. We're going to see that after the market opens. There has been some movement. Before we start going over micro NASDAQ, 312,000 contracts traded this morning. That's That's okay. That's okay. Considering it's a short week, that's an okay amount. It's not too much. I wouldn't expect too much aggressiveness, not just based off daily volume. When there's high daily volume, there's the open. When daily volume is high, there's typically more volatility in it. So, yes, let us look. All right, here at the hourly, NASDAQ opened up here, and it kind of steadily just like sold off. That was an hourly chart, 30 minutes. You can see we're trading below yesterday's low or Friday's low, prior session low. Open is all the way up here, prior close. So we're trading below this early March support level here. So we're going to keep watching. Not too much. Oh, there goes the monitor. Not too much going on so far. 319,000 contracts. We're probably just going to give it a minute to see what happens. My monitor. Everything works fine until I start trading. Now my monitor's going out. See, you see the reflection of the light on my face? That's my monitor going out. I don't know why. It's been like that. Ever since I had this computer, it's been like that. Volume is good. Awesome. I like this. Look how easy I can flip in between the two now. So I got a Stream Deck. That's this cool little tool right here. And see, I can set up all my icons. Back, I got Ninjatrader right here. That'll open it. I got all my broadcasting controls down here. I can kill my visuals real quick. My screen went off. Watch. It's about to turn. See, light come back. My monitor is turning off and turning back on. But yeah, so now I can like easily flip in between these two. I can mute my mic. And then I can unmute my mic that easily. Pretty cool. And then, oh shit, I gotta kill my visuals, right? Bam, just like that. Oh, yes, while we're talking about that, I added some trade goals down here below my stream. Let's see, where is it? You can't see it. Okay. I added my stream goals underneath my my webcam. All right, we're about to make a new low in the NAS. Now, do I want to chase is the question here. 180. I do not know if I want to chase this. Just because I don't know where, I don't have any, I need to look a little lower. See, everything I have no data underneath my, underneath here. So, what I need to do is, let's see, what's Bookmap telling us? Bookmap is showing all the liquidities down here at 1. So that could act as a little bounce area. Let's see. We could set a limit order there. We're getting a push above now. We still haven't gotten a proper test. Let's sell 2 right there. I want 1 to close out. Let's see. Oh, before I could even move my stop loss. 2 lots, so I'm taking it a little easier this morning. I didn't have enough time to move my stop loss. That's on me. That's my B. Probably should have moved my stop loss first, right? Okay. We still have liquidity down here, so I don't think our business is done. We still got that unfinished business down at the bottom. But really, I'm going to look for a bounce. We have been selling off all night, but with this liquidity at the bottom, I like to believe that this is going to, once we get a proper test of it, of 14,100, I like to think that we're going to bounce. Let me go ahead and get my limit order in position. Got to get my monitors right, or let's see. All right, we're going to do it right here. So we're just going to set our limit order right here and kind of just chill, just wait. My thesis here is we still have yet to touch this psychological level here of 14,100. That's kind of my thesis. I'm thinking that we're going to come here and we're going to get a bounce off of it. So we're just going to be patient and wait for the trade to come to us today. Speaking of that, underneath my webcam that you're seeing, I added some trade goals for myself. I want no more than 3 losers. So I have 1 loser right now. So if I take 2 more, I'm done. I also don't want to have any manual closes. I want to maintain my runners today. I want my runners to go as long as possible. So I am going to work on my own discipline today. I do need to work on my patience a little bit more. Ever since I got fucked a couple weeks ago, my discipline, my patience has not been there. It's like I got bucked off the Bronco, and now I'm still just trying to get back in the swing of things. So still taking it easy. We're not rushing. We're chilling. All right, so now we get this push. We're getting a push up here. So I'm going to keep my limit order down here for the time being. But we are pushing out of this area. So this limit order might be invalidated. We're just going to continue to watch to see. If we flip over to candlesticks, you can see just barely below the current session low. Current session low 14,113. My limit order is at 14,101.50. So getting a good push, a little pullback now. I'm just going to keep my limit order here. This could still be in play. This could just be some chop that we're seeing. So let's flip over to natty gas and see what we sees in here. Good hourly candle. That's a good hourly move. Up currently 4%. Flip back over. So we had a good test right here. Look, natty gas on the 30-minute. It came back and tested the prior session high. I do like that. Let's I'm thinking about taking 2. Where can I place my stop loss though? 82. Oh, it dropped as I went to get in. Oh, that does not look good. I'm about to get stopped out, folks. Let's see. God damn it. I do that sometimes. I'm going to see if we'll get the test right here at the 21. I only added like 3 more cents or some shit of risk on here. Nasdaq coming back down. We're going to see if we can get this proper test still. That was a fake breakout so far is what it looks like. So we're going to see what we get. All right. Let us see. Micro Nasdaq. There we go. All right, looks like we might be getting ready to get our test now. Let's see how this goes. So what happened earlier, we had all liquidity. We never got a proper test. I had no faith in this at all. No faith. Just because we hadn't come down here and tapped 14,100 yet. So that's just the chop that I was talking about right there. Oh yeah, I also added some noises to some sound. So we have nice. Oh, well, you can't hear it because my desktop audio is muted. I guess I could unmute that. I'm not listening to music this morning. I don't want to get a copyright claim for you guys hearing the music I'm listening to. So I might actually have to undo that. I got 2 good sounds. I have a cha-ching and a oh. So, pretty cool stuff. All right. Oh, so how is everybody's weekend? How did that go? I hope you all had a great one. I was busy all weekend. I went out and spent all of Saturday out in nature, out in the mountains. And then yesterday, I pretty much spent the entire day plus $20 on what was it? What I did? I did a little project. I added like bungee straps to the top of my Bronco to hold my like my camping equipment. So I got my camping chairs secured up to like my ceiling, and also like a Japanese futon that I have secured up to the ceiling. So we're about to get this filled now. Let's see what happens. All right, we're in. Let's see. I'm going to move my stop down just below 90, so I'm adding like 3 points of risk. Nothing really much at all. And we're going to see how this plays out. Remember, this is just a bounce idea. We're going to hit this area and we're going to bounce. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. We do have a lot of lower liquidity, so we'll just have to see. But I don't want any manual closes today. So that's what we're going for. We're going to see if this will hit our profit target. It kind of flipped. The candle was green. Oh, let me flip you guys over to Ninjatrader. So this candle was green, flipped red. We're just going to keep holding and see, because remember, no manual closes. Nuns. Nuns. All right, we still got all this liquidity down here, but I'm still thinking that we may bounce, and I might be able to hold my runner. All right, we're up pretty good. I'm moving this to break even right here. All right, first profit target just got filled. Now all we have is a one lot runner that we're gonna try and hold on to for as long as possible. We'll see how long that is. But that's the plan. No manual closes. But yeah, I like being able to flip through Bookmap and Ninja. I feel like I'm doing it a little better today, because normally I'm sitting here trying to talk to y'all about the candlestick chart. All you guys can see is Bookmap there. So I think this is going to be beneficial. Let's take this up to just below this 1 minute candle. So just moving it up ever so slightly each time. And yeah, we're going to see what our runner will pay us. I'm not really expecting anything. As of right now, we'll lock in for 10 points. Not bad. Because with the runner, the thing is there's an indefinite amount that it could go up, right? I mean, so we never know what it's going to do. But by maintaining a runner, we are keeping ourselves available for opportunity. If opportunity wants to knock, we want to be there to open the door for opportunity. So that's basically what I'm trying to get now. My screen just went out. See? When the light reflects on my... See? Watch. See? I don't know. But the runner pretty much just makes us available for opportunity. And I'm actually just going to move it below this next candle low. So let's see what happens. This candle, okay. All right, so we got stopped out there. I don't know how many points that was. I know I got 20 on my first one, and then I got just over 20 on my runner. I got 22. So 20 plus 22, about 42 point total on that. You see, looking at it now, so I'm just getting used to having a runner, right? I've never really had the discipline or the patience to maintain a runner before. So if I would have maintained my runner down here, instead of closing for a 23 profit on that runner, I could now possibly close with a 20-point profit, but I would still be in this trade. I'd be up 64 points. I'd be up over 60 points on this. So it's okay. I myself need to get better with my my runners. That was good, though. Good trade. I'm going to go ahead and do the ching. I'll let you guys hear it. How about that? How about that? You ready? Yeah. And then here's the other one I have. Oh. But that's what we got this time. Oh, man. So our plan worked out. We planned on getting a bounce in this area, which we got. I liked it. We got it, and it was good for a whole ass almost 70 points. So very nice trade. I like that one. That was a really good one. If I could do that with all my trades, I'd be a really good fucking trader. Oh goodness. Thank y'all for bearing with me. I appreciate you guys. I have some corny jokes sometimes, but you guys don't mind. Okay, let's see. Let me go to the chat and see if anybody has hollered at me. Let us see. Let us see. Nada way. That's okay, and that's all right. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna open OBS up big again. That I had that natty gas trade that I put on slightly impulsively. It was slightly impulsive. Let's flip to that. I think I got kicked out for an L. Yeah, I got kicked out for an L here. I was looking for a move back up. Kept it tight though. 60. I got it at 75.11. Okay, so very small loss there. It was just a 2 lot. So that puts me at 2 L's on the day. One more. No mas. So let's see. I'm going to see if I can update this actually in real time. My little thing underneath my icon. Let's see. I'll show y'all what I mean. I might not be making much sense right now, but I'll show you. Okay. So let us see here. I need to go to my overlays. Trade goals right here. So we're at two losses right now. That's it. Let's see. I hope this updates in real time. All right, we're at 2 of the 3 losses now. Hey, it updated. Look at that. So I'm at 2 of the 3 losses that I'm going to give myself for today. So one more L, and I'm just going to take the rest of the day off. Well, from trading and my trade stream, that is. I still have other stuff to do. I'm playing a Plague Tale today. Let me tell you, that game is fucking amazing. If you would like to join me, my gaming username is actually right there, right here, right above my name, or right above my face, is my gaming username, Jude Lexapon. So if you don't watch a Plague Tale with me later, feel free to join me. We'll have fun. All right, so let's flip back over to Bookmap. So we're getting resistance in the form of liquidity right here. See the what am I trying to say? We got a lot of liquidity. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Let's see. You guys can't see the liquidity right now. How can I go about showing? Can I scroll it? Yeah, okay. So there y'all can see the liquidity that I'm talking about. Yeah. I'm just going to try and move that out just a little bit. So I'll be seeing less, but at least you guys will still be able to see top and bottom liquidity. So I'm looking up here. This could be forming a resistance area. Let me flip back over to micro NASDAQ. That's some good water. So yeah, that runner would have been really, really good. I could have gotten out for 40 points if I maintained my runner like more like it maybe I should have, or perhaps this is just hindsight speaking. Would have been good for about 40. I like that. It's pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna maintain a runner that takes our profit potential just from whatever we close the position with. So if I manually close my trade, I'm locking in whatever it is at that time. Maintaining a runner, I'm going from whatever I lock into infinity. I mean, the NASDAQ could go up forever, literally not have one pullback. Not likely at all. Probably nearly impossible. Probably is impossible, but it could. And just by having a runner, I'm making myself available to opportunity that would come my way. Interesting here. Here's VWAP, and sellers are coming in. My screen just went out. Sellers are coming in before we even get to VWAP. So let's see how that works. Bookmap is kind of showing us resistance though, but we still have not yet properly tested the 200 level. We've gotten to 191, so we're still 9 points away from that 200 test. Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh, it looks like screen just went out again. It looks like Bookmap just like readjusted itself. So you might not be able to see Bookmap sometimes, but liquidity is up here, and sellers are coming in. So that could be a good opportunity for short up there. We've probably already passed that opportunity now. That third little pop to the top, this third right here, 1, 2, 3, not including this one, just these three. That third one probably would have been a good place to get in at. It got it up to 193. It looks like, and so that would have been a good one, good for 40 right now. Getting a test of the 21 EMA right there. Right, my screen just went out. This red line right here. Okay, so we're penetrating pretty well below it. I don't know what's up with my monitor. Everything works fine until I get on stream. I promise you guys. Well, it works as good as a Dell computer can work. There we go. It's just in, out, in, out. See, it just came back. That was like what? There it goes. See how the way light changes on my face? That's because my monitor keeps going out. But it's been like that since I bought this computer last summer. So nothing new there. Just Dell problems. That's a good Americano, guys. I'm feeling refreshed today, if you guys cannot tell. Let's see. I slept into my alarm this morning, though. My alarm woke me up, and it also woke my wife up. And I tell you, if you're married, never wake your wife up when she's sleeping. Just never. Unless the house is on fire, there's an emergency, feel free to wake your wife up. If there's not an emergency, do not wake your wife up. It's like poking a bear. So, my alarm went off this morning and woke me up, and it also woke up my wife. So, oh yeah. She was like, I just went to sleep a little bit ago. So she'd only been asleep for 4 hours when I went to bed. Luckily, she didn't brutally murder me. Oh. But yeah, we're getting this push back up now. We might get a test of 200. Not quite certain yet. If I hopped in here, I'd be getting in the middle of the move. So I'd be getting in here. We're halfway to here. We're halfway to there, pretty much. Not exactly, but we're close, kind of halfway. So I don't want to take a trade just yet. What I liked about the first trade that I took, or the second NASDAQ trade I took this morning, I had a pretty fine line in the sand. Hey, if 200 or if 100 didn't work out, I was going to know and I was going to be kicked out. If it was going to keep dropping, I would have been kicked out. Would have been fine. But if I get in here, I don't really have that line in the sand. This is right here, 200. That is the line in the sand. Same with 100. When you're playing those levels, either those levels work or they don't, or they penetrate a little bit, kick you out for an L, then reverse. Those things happen. All right. Let us see. So on the 10-minute, you can see it's coming back down. Let's flip over to S&P 500 futures and see how that's going. That that's actually not looking too bad. Let me go to my market watch just so I can quickly compare. So NASDAQ is still down 1.2%. ES is down 0.75%. So not indices aren't really doing too well. Russell though, shining star, it's going up, only down 0.08 now. So Russell 2000 is about to break even on the day. Ooh, got the shivers. 64 degrees in here now. Woo. All right. So I'm looking at ES. I don't really see anything. Whew. Let's draw ourselves a little box. Get ourselves a little support zone drawed. Let's see. We're gonna take it to here. Let's see. I need to extend these to this weekend. So yeah, we are closed Friday. Market is closed on Friday. Remember that, guys. So that means Thursday evening, you ain't got to set your alarms early to be up for the market. We like that, don't we? We like to sleep in sometimes. Rarely, but sometimes we do. I'm going to adjust that just a hair, and I'm also going to have that end this week. That'll give me just continuous levels that I can watch here. So this hourly candle closes in about 3.5 minutes, 3 minutes actually. Here's a 30, just chop really. So here's a high on the 30, there's a low on the 30. Really just chopping the ES is. We do have a higher high and a higher low. Could send us higher, could not. So we'll just watch that. Let's flip over to crude oil. Could be getting a decent pullback. How's volume looking? Against a lot of sell volume, but then we have some green volume come in. Let's see. I'm going to take too short here. Going to keep it pretty tight. If this makes a new session high, we're going to dip out. Let's move take profit to right here, and if it moves down more, I'll manual break even this trade. But let's see what happens. I'm liking this red volume right here, and we did get a retest. So we'll just see if we can maintain it. We probably can't. Probably about to get kicked out. So we're just going to sit here and watch for a moment and see what happens. Forgot to flip over. Here's basically a trade I'm in. We had the retest here, so I took a short position. I put it just above this candle though. So if this candle pushes new highs, okay, there we go. So I just got kicked out. That's 3 L's on the session. That's gonna have to be it for me. You know, that's what I got written. No more than 3 losers, and I am at 3 now. But now that brings up the question: what do I do? Because that's only a 30-minute stream. I still got so much energy left and whatnot. I don't know. I guess I'll look for just a little bit more. That I'm gonna have to dip out for my own good. What I like about what I do like about the no more than 3 losers, it really kind of caps my over trading, right? But yeah, so that's gonna have to probably be it for my trading for today. Gonna try and stick to my rules. 3 L's, and obviously I'm not. Luckily, they weren't in a row. I had that really good. I had that really good trade. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's what I wrote down. I need to stick with it because if I have more than 3 losers and I'm like, I can continue trading. Well, that doesn't really do well for my no manual closes rule, right? If one rule is broken, then it's a really slippery slope. Perhaps what this three loser rule will do for me, perhaps it'll help instill a little bit more patience. Because like that crude trade, I rushed into it. The natural gas trade, I rushed into it. And the first trade I took this morning, the micro, I also rushed into it. So I need to get a little better at setting my hands again. I haven't gotten back to the to how I was before. I was just cool, calm, chill. I could make no trades and I'd be happy. But I got fucked, and I haven't been able to really get back on my trading the way I'd like to. So it's unfortunate, but I need to follow my rules because what's the point of having rules if I can just break them whenever, right? So let's see. Now that my little rant is over on the importance of rule following. So I have a few more things I want to show you with my Stream Deck. So I showed you I can easily flip in between these now, right? Before I had to take my mouse and manually do it, and I'm looking, I have like a lot of sources in OBS. So, I mean, it was out of a long list of things, I had to find, the monitor that I want and turn it on, turn it off, whatever. But now I could just easily flip through like this. I also added another thing. I can actually pause the broadcast now. So, see, I'm going to go make some coffee or do some shit, right? I can just press pause on my Stream Deck, and it'll like mute my mic and everything. I'm going to show you just an example real quick, okay? So that's basically it, and broadcast pause will just like loop. So pretty cool stuff. Pretty happy. I got this in Friday afternoon. So Friday I did a lot of programming my Stream Deck. I don't know. I did a lot Friday. I was playing Green Hell. By the way, it's a great survival game. Survival simulator. That's how they market it, and I can see that. I really wanted to continue playing Friday. I only got to do like 2.5 hours, I think. But the ring light, I had already been using it for like 6 hours at that point. Because I had a headache, I had a migraine. My eyes were like hurting real bad. My head was hurting real bad. My wife actually had to bring me to leave while I was streaming. So I had to kill that stream earlier. I wish it could have kept going because I'm really loving Green Hell. It's a really good game. But yeah, so I don't have ring light on. This is like one light, one open window in my office is all that I have in here. But yeah. So here on Bookmap, we're chopping between 200 and 100. That's basically the gist of it. Every time it looks like we're going to break out of 2, we get rejected. We could keep falling. We could keep dropping. So that will be interesting to see. Everything in here is just chop. If a trader wanted to take a short position, I would definitely wait and sell into strength. Because if you come down here and short, if you want to put your stop way up here, that's too much risk for me. That's too much risk. I'd rather wait for price to get up here and then get in than hop in down at the bottom. But yes, it'll be interesting to see what the markets do today. We're getting a lot of rejection up here. This is a 10-minute chart. We're getting a lot of rejection up here by VWAP, and that's also at 200. So we could be pushing lows. I mean, we could get below 14,000 a day because right now the low is 14,099. So we could dip into the 13,000s today. We did break this this daily support level as well that was formed in early March. So we're continuing to get the push down here. I kind of wish I wouldn't have exhausted all my trades, but the best thing that I believe I can do now is 3 trades, I'm out. Go ahead, follow that rule today. I keep hitting my mic. Sorry, guys. Follow that rule today, and hopefully that'll help me just to have a little bit more patience in my trades, because that's what I really need to get back into. I had really good patience before, and then I had that Thursday where I thought I closed a position on Thinkorswim, and it was not closed. I went back a couple hours later to check my portfolio, and my put options were still open. So I got burned really fucking bad. That was about a month ago. Got burned really fucking bad, and my trading just has not been the same since. I'm not making excuses. I just have to get back to my patience and my discipline again. So that's the whole idea behind my trade goals that I have underneath me right here. I did that because I'm trying to help myself get back to trading patiently and with discipline, So, yep, that's what I'm up to. Let's see. I think I have some things on my to-do list I need to do. I might go ahead and just close the stream because I don't want to continue trading. I don't even know what else is on my to-do list. Let me see. So look, I need to pull up my to-do list. There might be some personal information on there. So that's why I have this button on my Stream Deck. That just it closes my monitors out so I can pull up my to-do list. So let's see. Yeah, excuse me, guys. So I didn't even finish my Saturday work. So I do bookkeeping for a company, and so I do bookkeeping, and I still gotta do some stuff for my bookkeeping that I do. It looks like I have 5 things on my to-do list total for bookkeeping. I got other stuff I want to do in my trading, and then I have a few things to do for my stream. So, since I have stuff to do on my to-do list, I'm gonna go ahead and call it here, guys. I'm not trading anymore today. I'm going to maintain some discipline and just build my discipline brick by brick again. That's gonna be it for me today. I have other stuff I can do or that I need to do. Especially from this weekend, I got to get that shit done. So that is going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you stopping in and joining me as I lose money for hopefully your entertainment and your education. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you all tomorrow at, let's see, I start the stream at 7:20 now because I have that 5-minute countdown. So the broadcast will start at 7:20 tomorrow morning, and I will be live at like 7:25. So join me tomorrow morning, and maybe watch me lose some more money if you want to. But no, we could talk. We can have some entertainment. Trading can be boring, especially good trading is boring. So. Yeah, join me tomorrow. Let's talk. Let's hang out. Let's have some fun. Talk about trading and other stuff, whatever. All right, well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. Thank you all for joining me. I will see you tomorrow morning, bright and early. Try and get some sleep tonight. Be consistent and obey your rules. Peace out from Trader Roshi. I'll see y'all tomorrow.